I want to begin the daily message today by wishing everyone a belated and happy St. Patrick's Day. The first reading for today is from the book of Exodus. And in this reading, God is saying to Moses, he's a little bit upset because he has led them out of Egypt. He's led them out of slavery. He's taking them to the promised land, a land that they can call their own, and yet they resist. The chosen people are stuck in their ways. There were times during their sojourn in the wilderness when the chosen people actually said, gee, I wish we were back in Egypt. At least we had enough to eat there. Now God finds out that they are idolaters, that they're worshiping the molten calf. So God is kind of at wit's end. But Moses, it says in the reading, implores God by saying, why, O Lord, should your wrath blaze up against your own people, whom you brought out of the land of Egypt with such great power and so strong a hand? And so Moses intercedes with God to relent in his punishment. God is always leading us to the promised land of greater love, greater freedom, and greater holiness. But as we know, we sometimes are stuck in our old ways. Sometimes we prefer to not live in greater love or greater freedom or holiness. But this Lenten season gives us the opportunity to let those old ways go, to let those old thoughts, those old habits, those old ways of living go, let them go, so that we can live in the promised land of God's love.